Hello, good morning viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to solve a word problem question that is related to sharing. I have solved the same question 6 months back, but because I want to make some clarifications, this is why I decided to solve the same question again. The question reads, 3 girls shared a packet of sweets. The first girl received 2/5 of the sweets. The second girl received 5/9 of the remainder. And the third girl received 8 sweets. So collectively, how many sweets are in the packet? When solving word problem questions, anything that is unknown, try to declare it with some variables. For instance here, that we don't know the actual number of sweets in that packet. We want to declare the number of sweets in that packet with X or Y or Z. So we say let the packet of sweets be X. So now let us start sharing. We learned that the first girl received 2/5 of the sweets. 2/5 of the sweet meaning 2/5 of X, because we have declared X to be the total number of sweets in the packet. And of, remember, is the same thing as multiplication. So this is the same thing as saying 2/5 times X. This is the same thing as 2x/5. This means that the first girl received 2x/5. So first girl, she received 2x/5. Then we move to the second girl. The second girl received 5/9 of the remainder. But we need to find this remainder first. Already 2/5 has been taken away from the sweets. To find out the remainder, we say X minus what has already been taken, which is 2x/5. 2x/5. When subtracting a fraction from a whole, it is as simple as taking the denominator and multiplied by the whole. 5 times x is 5x. Then that 5x minus 2x is 3x. So this is 3x over the denominator, which is 5. So the remainder is what? 3x/5. Now to find out what the second girl received, we have seen that it is 5/9 of the remainder. So second girl, she received 5/9 of, is multiplication of the remainder, which is 3x/5. If you make some cancellations, you can see 3 can go here 1 time, 3 can go here 3 times, 5 here 1, 5 here 1. All we have left is x/3. x/3. Then we move on. The third girl received 8 sweets. Third girl, she received 8 sweets. So we want to find the total number of the sweets. We know that if we add all these sweets shared among these 3 individuals, we are definitely going to obtain X, because we say X is the total number of sweets. So we add the first share plus second share plus third share. We must get this X because we say X is the total number of sweets. So the first share is 2x/5. The second share is x/3 plus the third share is 8, so we have 8 here. The whole of this will be equal to X. Remember, the simplest way to solve an algebraic equation that contains fractions is to eliminate the fractions first. And we have 2 fractions. Their denominators are 5 and 3 respectively. To eliminate them, we need to multiply each term by their LCM, which is going to be 15. So we multiply all of this by 15. We start with the first term here. 15 times 2 is going to be 30. But 30 divided by 5 is 6. So we have 6x here plus 15 times x is 15x, divided by 3 is going to be 5x. 15 times 8 is 120. This is equal to x times 15 is 15x. 6x plus 5x is 11x. Plus 120, this is equal to 15x. If you take 11x to the right hand side, it becomes negative. So we have 120 equals 15x minus 11x. 120 will now be equal to 4x. To find the value of x, we divide both sides by 4. We divide both sides by 4. And finally, x is equal to 30. This means that the total number of sweets in this packet is 30. You can make a conclusion. Therefore, the total number of sweets in the packet is 30. This is our answer. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.